thank you for the nourishment. Love, Santa. He ate everything except one pepper and a little bit of cookie, and he drank all his milk. Those are from Santa. I didn't put those there. Did you, Daddy? These fancy presents were wrapped by elves, I can tell. These must be from Santa. Let me get some scissors, Boo.
Okay, Mom, we can do it.
Sorry, those elves really wrap well. Look at that bow. It's so pretty.
Yeah, I want to keep this forever.
Okay.
My black bow, I found some other bows.
Yeah, those are from Mommy and Daddy's presents. Last night we saved the bows for you. Try the sides. Yeah.
Look how cute this baby is.
Let's see what it looks like in the front. That's the back of the box.
What the baby is. Look at it! It's
Oh my gosh, a newborn baby doll.
This is so adorable. Can you unwrap
So
it?
Santa got you a baby doll.
Hollis, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
That must be from Santa too. That's got elves written all over it.
I got it this off.
Okay, good.
This is so fun.
That could be. What else did you ask Santa for? Whoa, it's a Barbie. Hey, that's the fairy
Oh.
godmother from Cinderella.
Yeah,
That's Helena Bonham Carter, dude.
I didn't ask her for that, and now I love it.
Wow, that's from Santa.
Yeah, let's see what's in these.
Those presents are from Grandpa, Mommy, and Daddy, and the one in the box is from Auntie Justine.
I think I'll open this one with my favorite bow. The balls.
Yeah, so we can decorate the tree with it.
Like I did with the other one. Just gotta open this one. A choo-choo train.
I think it's a microscope. You can look at
Let's
things
see.
really close up, like all your treasures.
Like
And
the
flower.
flag.
Yeah.
I rinsed it a tiny bit.
Put it in your toy pile.
And now I'm gonna open my coffee. Look what it has on the front.
Yeah, that's from Auntie Justine.
Do you love your teepee?
Yeah, what do you think of your teepee, Boo? Did you notice your teepee?
My teepee?
That's from Mommy and Daddy for Christmas. Do you like it? That's your new fork. It's cool,
I
huh?
don't know how to open this. That is open.
There you go.
So good.
Whoa.
What's this?
I don't know. Oh, how pretty. Oh, a little
Cute.
outfit. Look at the
All
sweater.
right.
I hear something loud.
That's from Grandma and Pop.
What?
Ooh, that looks like cool things to hammer.
What this is?
That's from your little peanuts.
All right, there's a lot more to get to. Daddy's going to get some coffee. Merry Christmas, Mama.
Merry Christmas.
Ooh,
Hollis?
I found this on the present.
Merry Christmas.
You too.
That's a nice big smile.
Hey, guess what?